like it wasn't exciting enough to find a being on the surface of the moon, but seeing UFOs go down to the surface that are illuminated, of course, could be clashing with the atmosphere around it, but that's a sign there is an atmosphere, isn't it? Close to the surface and here on the surface, seeing a light change positions. I found out over the years these are all things that weren't documented and not even being mentioned, but literally seeing a light that looks like it's on fire. Because listen, we could say it's on fire, it's illuminated, but not only illuminated, there's a trail of smoke, but that light is maybe illuminating the atmosphere around it. Hey, how many years have I said that? Somebody again, though, in the comment section on the last video mentioned it. Bruce, could it be, yes, of course. Of course it is. Absolutely is. Here's a light going towards a big cloud like, so in reality, it's light phenomena, right? When you're looking on the surface and you're seeing these different types of lights with many different characteristics now, this one changing positions, you see other lights around it. It took me not that long, but it took me a little while, but then I said, whoa, hopefully it's not a war, right? But there's wars probably on most planets that are in the solar system. If I was to take a guess, or maybe just, use common sense, power is probably something that most intelligent beings are going to grasp on, right? They're gonna understand that much and want to control everything. Sometimes it's not only through greediness, well, it's through fear. People want to control others in case, right? In case they do this, in case they do that. So we're going to take a quick look at the ISS space station. During the night, we could see its shape going across the moon or between the moon and Earth. And luckily, the moon was out. I would never have seen it. This is with a telescope, by the way. It's not with infrared or anything. So there it is, a quick view. So lots of UFO activity some nights. Have you ever seen a UFO in the sky? Some of you have never seen lights in the sky. And one night, in less than 10 minutes, I've seen over 30, 40 one evening. It was very impressive. And here, take a look, all different directions. This is all in the same evening.
Where you go, my friend? You are bright, aren't you? Miss you guys. Starting to wonder where the heck everyone was. Nice and low. You see me? Wow. Right by the stars. You guys are awesome. I missed you guys. What the heck? You lost, buddy? Not very high, are you? Back up so I can keep getting it. Sorry for the shake, guys. Free hand again. This is awesome. Wow. I mean, where you going, bud? You guys think that's a satellite? Hey, do you see this light?
Without cutting the footage, I look for instant reactions, an interaction with an instant reply. Watch what happens when I ask them to impress me and fly away.
Do that. Take off, my friend. Impress us. Picking up speed. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Awesome.
I always like to share a bit of the story of a part of my life too, along with the research now, more and more as I go on through the years doing this research. I started filming UFOs because I've had many spiritual encounters when I was younger. I've had many, many visions, intuitions, premonitions, like probably many of you have also had throughout your life. But sometimes certain people have premonitions and an instinct that's incredible that sometimes guides you in a way where you see all these things. So I tried to make a couple of hundreds of videos. I have hundreds of captures now and videos just about UFOs and me interacting with UFOs and instantaneously getting a reply from them. And again, whether it's coincidence or not, I know some of you like me enjoy trying to see if there's something out there. The more you talk to them, the more they appear, it seems.
Oh, is he getting invisible? I'm seeing flashes. Oh, there's two of them following each other, right? There's two in frame now.
The beauty of it all is that when you get a flashback, when you directly ask for them to flash, it's just absolutely incredible.
Oh, three. One, two crossing there, and one down there. Feel it. How about another fast one? Never got one of those in my life.
That could be asteroid OR2.
Gonna fizz out, my friend? Thanks for coming by. Next. Oh, yes. Never too long. And this will go all night. Speaking of light, turn out the lights. There's another one. Another object right there going up. See it?
I fast forwarded this part because there's so much going on. I want to show you all the activity. Check it out.
I bet you there's more. Okay, guys. Now I'm seeing them side by side, lots of them. 3 wide. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. See that? Side by side there. There's another third one, even higher. I can't get it. I'm gonna have to turn the tripod around. I want to see these two, where they're going. I can literally see them in the sky as I'm watching them. Another one trailing behind, guys. Right there. So that one is following these two right there, which is, watch this. I can still track both of them. One. No, hold on, sorry. We got one there, and oh, 2 more, guys.
Now this is cool because say to yourself, this is all in one take. It's all in the same night, and it's in less than 10 minutes. And there's all different directions, different sizes, and some even give us flashes back.
But we need another one. Yep, lots more. And side by side, they intrigue me. Watch this. One there. And one there.
Here's one that is so slowed down, and then it gets really bright, and then less bright, and you know it's not a plane, right? Planes flash repetitively all the time. They have very bright lights, like I've showed in the past. Here's an incredibly rare capture, one of 3 that I've been able to document and film. Very luckily, this object, well, luckily or not, I was talking to it in the sky and it just started changing directions. It appeared out of nowhere. You saw it rising and now it's descending. Directional change. Well, I had a false alarm before I wrote in the community that I saw a UFO for the second time shooting out maybe some photonic weapon, and no, it was a false alarm. The way the star went by in the background. Sometimes, it's not too hard to stump people, as I stump myself. And it's important that when it's not something real or authentic, I mean, I can make mistakes, but when somebody does it on purpose, But I was sure. I was sure that the UFO had shot something out. I zoomed up closer, and obviously I was wrong. Look at this one. Hundreds of events where there's flashes around these UFOs. While they're going by, whoop, another flash. Is it something in the background, saying hello as the other UFO goes by, or is it a light beam?
Up in their belly, party cloud, and they come in here so soon. Yeah, aliens are up there on the moon. They may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are mining on the moon, yes, they're all up there. Doesn't matter, cause disclosure's coming soon. Disclosure's coming soon.